What's up, everybody? Adam here with Lao IRC, and today I'm going to do unboxing and review of the brand new Yikong Racing 4107. Finally, someone made a Y60 body. Love it. Let's get right into it. Early Christmas present for me. Now, I bought this to replace my old standby, my Yikong 4103 Pro, which has been my go-to crawler since it came out, really. I love this, and I'm very excited to see what the newest generation of Yikong Racing has to offer. So let's get right into it. Let's see what we got in the box. So this is the brand new Yikong Racing 4107. Finally, somebody made a Y60 Nissan Patrol. Love it. I got the Hydro Blue color, and this is their new tank turn feature, which I'm assuming is just a dig feature. We'll see how that works, but it is 1/10 RTR. All right, so yeah, so it does say dig here, so the tank turn feature is probably dig. Let's see, my Chinese is not great. This is the new low center of gravity drivetrain, transmission. This is some new sort of servo saver thing there. Advertising portal axles, high and low gear. It's got locking differentials, remote locking differentials, chassis mounted servo, which is nice considering my old YK 4103, which has been one of my favorites. Had the axle mounted servo. So I'm glad to see they went with a chassis mounted servo finally. 4 LEDs, hobby wing 1060. I'm probably gonna throw a 1080 in this. All metal links, full metal bearings. Right, so pretty loaded. All right, let's get this. Ooh, I do like that blue. Again, I chose the Hydro Blue. So we got some window trim, some Yikong sponsors, some nice 80s. Oh no, those are already put on. This is a GNM Racing. Don't know who makes this, but I believe this is a 10 channel radio. That's for the locking diffs, and it's got the power button on the outside. That's nice. Feels good in the hand. Plastic wheel, which I'm not a fan of, but easy enough to drive one-handed. Let's see what else we got. Looks like a radio strap. That's new. Got a nice little Top RC flag for the bumper. Don't know what Top RC is. Apparently, let's see here. This is, I'm not sure. It comes with the Nissan badge to put on. It's nice. I don't know if this is officially licensed. Pretty sure it's not, but I know with the 4103, they gave me a little Toyota badge you can swap in front of the Yikong badge, so that's nice. And this is, magnet body mounts, probably. Let's see what else we got in here. An air freshener. Cute. I assume it's an air freshener. Umbrella Corporation stickers. Don't know why you would have that, but I know that is very popular on full-size cars here in China. And then, yeah, this is a lanyard, a strap for the radio. It's very nice. I don't know what this Top RC club is, but now what I'm not seeing is a manual. Hopefully I won't need it. So let's get this out of the bag. And there we go. Yes, I really like that hydro blue, is what they call it. Other color option would be navy blue or dark blue and silver/gray. I chose the hydro blue because I like color, my crawlers. Yeah, looks pretty nice. We got a somewhat detailed interior. Got front and rear seats. Let's see here. Let's get on the bench for a proper look. Okay, let's see. So that is a really nice looking body. The 80s graphics on there. We got a light bar. Let's get that out of here. Got a light bar on top. Nice car style bumper. These tires feel nice. Looks like they're a Proline Hyrax clone. The tire compound feels nice and sticky. I remember the problem with my 4103 when I first got it out of the box was that it had very plastic tires. So the first thing I did with my 4103 was swap out to these 2.2 mud terrains. Improved the grip tremendously, improved the handling immensely. All right. Let's see. We got inner fenders, of course, that's standard now. Looks like this is a power switch. It is a brushed system. All right, looking at the bottom, here we've got plastic shafts, but I never had a problem with those breaking on my 4103, so I'm hoping these will be the same. Metal links, looks like a 3-link up front with a panhard, and then 4-link in the rear. We do have portal axles. Yeah. Suspension seems okay. Yeah, I never changed the shocks in my 4103, so I shouldn't need to on this, I'm assuming. Yep, but so far I'm very happy with it, except for the lack of battery and or a manual. Because mainly I want the manual to know what do all these channels on the radio do. 10-channel radio, no manual explaining it. And looks like we got to get the body off. We have a screw here. This is very similar to the 4103. And then it looks like it's a hinged body. Yes, it is. Interesting. Don't usually see that on a 1/10. I don't see a battery. This is supposed to be an RTR. But there's no battery in the chassis and there's nothing in the box. So that's weird. I have to contact the seller and see where the battery is. I have plenty of batteries already, so it's not that big of a deal, but it is an RTR, so it should have a battery with it. We got a 32-turn brushed 550 can motor, standard 1060 ESC. All right, this is a Dumbo RC 6-channel receiver. All the lights plugged into here. Yeah, so this is a Dumbo RC radio, but it is rebranded as G and M. But here we got a 25 kg dig servo. And this is a 25 kg, or so it says anyway, full Metal Gear steering servo. We've got 2 micro servos controlling the locking diffs and a little servo here for your high and low gear. So it's a nice central look over here. Try and zoom in. See all the little lights and electronics and such. There's a light control box there in the back. So not gonna be changing this body anytime soon. So everything looks very nice. Adjustable shock mounts, different shock mounting points. The inner fenders are nice hard plastic. I think that might be a plastic cover on the frame rails. Interesting. All right, but yeah, so let's get a battery and let's see what it can do. So they've got these little holes here. You can see that. Little holes in the bottom of the tray. And that's what this little guy is for, this little black piece. This little guy. So you see that goes in the hole, and then you just put a screw in the bottom. All right, so like this. And then you put a single screw in the bottom and you can put a shorty pack in there. And move it back here. And this is probably more the setting for my battery. Let's see here. Yes. That makes it just the right length for my pack. Fits nice and snug. I like that. It's a very nice little feature. And then you just remove it and you can fit any size in there. Right, so I got this standard TCB 3-cell hard pack, 2200 milliamp pack. This is what I run in most of my crawlers. Okay, let's turn on the radio. It's full power, and the power is on the bottom, I believe. Yep. Don't know if that's going to be an issue with rocks and getting over obstacles, but you know. Pep now, without a manual, I don't know what all these switches do, so I'm gonna have to try and figure this out and get back. So lots of switches and adjustments in here. So you get your steering and throttle trims, normal, channel 3 and 4. Channels 5 and 6 are knobs, that's interesting. And then 7 is 3-way switch. Oh, that's lights. Let's see. So 3-way switch. Oh, the nice halo lamps. That's nice. I like that. Not exactly period matching, but. And then there's full lights. That is the third position. Let's see. Oh, it's got reverse lights. It's pretty nice. Not very necessary on a crawler, but you know. But again, I just love this body. I've been waiting for a Y60, and yeah, Yikong finally delivered. Let's see what else these switches do. Let's try channel. Now on the 4103, channels 3 and 4 are the diffs. So that should be the front diff lock, yes. And then, ayo. Whoops. And then channel 4 should lock the rear diff. Same as the 4103. Let's turn these lights off. All right, so channel 3 and 4 are my diffs. Now they're open. Now on the 4103, this channel 8 here would be the high and low speed. And it definitely is on this too. That's nice. So we get on the stand. There we go. So that's high gear. And then low gear. And now let's see. Channel 9. I think that's the dig feature. As you can see, channel 9 engaged. So after using my translator on the box, channel 5 knob is apparently drag brake setting. So I got it all the way to the right. It seems like 100%. Let's go all the way left. Let's get these wheels off and see if they're bead lock or not. And they are not. They are glued on. So that's a bit of a disappointment. It's also a plastic wheel, but I guess RTR, what can you expect? But like I said, compound feels nice. Definitely foams in there. Got a little brake disc caliper on there. That's pretty nice. Let's see. Aluminum shocks, and those are adjustable. Yes. Yep. Twist them. So that's nice. You can adjust the spring rate. And the grill is nice hard molded plastic. Not a sticker or anything. Very nice. Go ahead and probably put that Nissan badge right there. So, that is the unboxing and first look at the brand new Yikong Racing 4107 Y60. Unfortunately, it is like 10 o'clock at night. This got delivered to me late today. So get it out in the rocks tomorrow morning and get a nice running video for you all. So make sure you tune back in for more Y60 action. All right, bye for now.